Hello everyone, this is Sam again from fightforex.info. I'm going to make a video today about how I'm running my MT4 platform um, on my home laptop 24/7 using nothing but a laptop on Windows 10 Home Edition. And this may actually sound silly to some of the viewers, but it seems like a perfectly good solution if you have a reasonably good internet connection that is 24/7. And if you have a laptop you can spare, or if you can use, which has Windows 10 Home Edition, you can easily run your MT4 and don't have to spend money on VPS server. This is the EA I'm running from my home computer. So 17th June is when this was started. It's running on my home machine. It's 25th of July today. More than 1.5 months, running just fine. I mean, of course, I seem to be running a big drawdown, but that's a different matter to be discussed at a different point. The point here is that looks like if you have a reasonable uh, internet service, and these days internet is easily available um, very almost every part of the world, literally. And if you have a laptop you can spare, then I will show you how to just make small tweak and then use it instead of spending money on VPS server, which is like anywhere from $5 to $20, $50 a month, right? So here is the simple trick, right? So you have a Windows laptop, just fire it up, install your MT4, right? And open it up. Go to what is called as power and sleep settings right here. Go to these two settings, right? So screen setting and a sleep setting, right? Screen setting is when you are on a battery power, the screen will shut off after 5 minutes in this case, and it will shut off after 10 minutes if you're plugged in, right? Sleep is the setting where you have to make the tweak. What you do is open it up and just go down and select the setting for never, right? Never. Now when you do that, what you have essentially done is you keep your laptop running and it will never go to sleep. It will run continuously. Of course, the screen will shut off after 5 or 10 minutes. That's okay. That's not the problem. And that's the simple trick that you do. Come out of it and just leave it. You know, you can then start running your MT4 EAs on this. I'm running this, the EA that I have. Of course, it did not get added correctly, but that's not the point. So the point is this simple trick, Windows laptop with Windows 10 Home Edition. Um, I think other Windows versions also have the same settings. Of course, it will be slightly different location, and MT4 platform with a continuous internet connection, right? Now, you may ask what happens when you lose power, right? Now, as far as you're using a laptop with a good battery life, you know, even if you lose power, MT4 is still going to be running. The laptop is still going to be running as long as there's battery, right? Now, of course, when you lose power, most of the time you will lose your internet connection too, right? So even if your laptop is running, your MT4 won't be connected, won't be executing trades. What do you do in that case? In that case, you could use your cell phone if you have unlimited data and plug it in and let the MT4 continue to run through what is called as phone tethering. Tethering is the way you use phone to connect your laptop to the internet. Of course, you need to have enough data plan to be able to do that. So even if the power outage, you can still continue to run your EAs. Of course, this is not if you're really doing very high intensity, high frequency trading, then maybe the solution won't be as robust as you need it, because there is something called as latency. Latency is nothing but your connectivity, or how fast you can connect and execute trades from where you're running your MT4 to the trading desk that is executing the trades for you, right? For very high frequency, small margin or small trailing stop kind of scalping mechanisms may not be ideal for this. But if you have a strategy that runs and a little bit of latency is okay, or if you're okay to even lose connectivity a few minutes here and there every once in a while, then don't waste your money. Just run laptop with Windows 10, MT4 on it, and just change the power settings that I showed, and that should work for you. Again, it's not something everybody would like. Not everyone has a laptop to spare. Not everyone has the continuous internet connection. Maybe then it's not for you. But it seems to be working just fine for me since June 17th. Hope you find this useful. And if you want to try it with demo account, maybe keep it running and see. Of course, there are other drawbacks. Yeah, you will get some slightly elevated electricity bill and whatnot, but I'm sure it's not going to be as high as running a VPS server. Okay, hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.